go, going through the same thing. First and foremost, we want to give a huge shout out to Misfitcollections for sending me this hair. Thank you so much. And yeah, you guys don't forget to go ahead and check out their Instagram and follow them on their social media. Amazing brand, amazing black owned brand to be at that. So don't forget to follow them. Alright, so first things first, when it comes to applying wigs, you want to make sure that everything is nice and cleaned up. So I'm taking rubbing alcohol on a paper towel and just cleaning her entire hairline, because first and foremost, we know that alcohol dries out everything, so therefore all the oils and stuff will be dried out, so the glue will have something to adhere to better with her skin being dried in the front. Please, please, please do not forget to oil your scalp. Okay, scalp care is very important, so you gotta make sure your scalp is nice and moisturized throughout the entire process of you wearing this wig. Alright, we're just going in with a regular tan stocking cap. For dark skin people, you can use like a brown shade, but we can only find the tan ones in the beauty supply store. So just making sure that you pull that over her, basically close to her eyes and everything like that. And I did use the Got to Be Glued spray method. So yeah, we're going ahead and using the stocking cap method, and I'm using the Got to Be Glued spray to apply to her hairline so that it can adhere. I do not like using glue to put on the stocking cap. I just think that's way too much glue in my opinion. So yeah, Got to Be Glue spray, free spray is the best way to go. And I just dry it with the blow dryer, cut out the ears and everything, as you guys will see later on. Okay, so right about now we're gonna go ahead and just cut the cap off. So yeah, you just cut it all the way up to where it's sticking to her hairline. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory. Just make sure that there's not a bunch of excess cap still on her head, because this is what is gonna shape the hairline for the wig. Luckily for us, the wig was already like installed and everything, so this is not, if you want me to do a video on a wig that's straight out the box, like already hasn't been touched at all, then I would go ahead and do that for you guys. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and tint the lace of the wig and also tint her bald cap, and I use the even tinted lace in the shade dark brown, and I'm just gonna brush it in with a makeup brush, as you guys will see later. Okay, so right now I'm actually just lining up the wig to the cap, just so that I can see what excess areas I need to cut off for the cap, and also just to align the hairline of the wig to the cap. And then later on, you guys will see me doing the gluing part. All I did was pull it back, and I just did 3 layers, and then you just want to spread it out with, like, you could use a little popsicle stick or whatever. I used the end of a rat tail comb. But yeah, I just went ahead and did 3 layers, and I am using the Bold Hold glue. Every product that I use will be in the description box for you guys to check out. But yeah, I did not use the Bold Hold Active Glue. I used the regular Bold Hold glue. So yeah. I do want to go ahead and mention one little tip to help anyone who is struggling with getting their wigs to stick, or they wait too long to adhere the lace to the glue because like it's either dried up already. So definitely wait until it's tacky enough, and you'll know if you like touch the lace. Like if you touch and it's giving you pullback, like it's basically like sticking to your finger, then that's when it's like tacky. If it ain't sticking no more, that means you waited way too long to apply the wig down. So I would suggest that you just go ahead and apply another layer. But as you guys can see, I'm doing kind of thick bands of glue. You don't want to do thin bands of glue, so I do like one on the cap and one on the skin. It's looking like 3, 4, 5 pieces of glue on the skin, and a lot on the cap too. I was a little heavy-handed with this install with the glue, but it's because her sideburns give quite a lot of issues sometimes when it comes to gluing wigs down. So yeah, just make sure that the bands are thick. And you guys can see, like, I did a whole layer. That glue is very much clear. So yeah, that's my second layer. Okay, so another pro tip, I do not use blow dryers to dry the glue anymore. I think that it actually would honestly like mess up the process of it drying down. So I just use a fan, or you could just let it air dry. Like, it's honestly a better option and it's not as loud and annoying. So yeah. So right now I'm getting ready to I am taking the clips out. I'm getting ready to basically stick the lace into the hairline or the glue. So yeah, I basically just matched up the lace with the hairline, kind of putting the lace a little bit above or in front of the cap itself. And then you just want to make sure that the lace is sticking into the glue like really well. You just take like the back or the tail part of a comb, or like comb it, basically take a rat tail comb and just like comb the lace into the glue, if that makes any sense at all. Probably doesn't, but that's the only way you're gonna get it to like stick. Don't use your fingers because your fingertips have oil, so like it's just gonna make it harder for it to stick. So I would use something to like literally push the product or push the lace into the glue. Okay, so now that the lace is all stuck to the glue in the front, or the frontal is all laid down, I just went ahead and I started the customization process of the wig, because we got to get it looking better because it's kind of crazy right now. But yeah, I'm just straightening up her part. I'm gonna go in with my a hot comb. I'm gonna go in with a hot comb and just make sure everything is nice and flat. And my Cara wax stick. I love the Cara wax stick. Honestly, it smells amazing, and it literally gets all the flyaways nice and laid down. Alright y'all, so now we're getting into my favorite part. So I am going to go ahead and do her edges now. So I'm just pulling out the hairline. Like I said, this was a pre-cut wig, like it's already been installed and everything. So I'm just literally pulling out the hair from the front of the hairline and some extra pieces. And then I'm just going to be like trimming them down or cutting them down so that they're not too long. You do not want extra long adult baby hairs in your wig. Like that's never cute. And I'm also going to be laying this down with the Got To Be Glue gel. I know a lot of people don't like to use this gel because it, you know, gets kind of hard, but I love it because it literally stays in place. So yeah, and I'm just going in with my little edge brush. We just gonna swoop the loop and poo, and the edges is looking good. I'm stupid, but yeah, we're just gonna be doing some swoops, and yeah, just watch and see how I lay these baby hairs. Y'all see them swoops? I know y'all see them swoops. Okay, so we're just going in and we're going to, you know, finish the customization of the hair. So I'm just flat ironing, giving her the Edna look from The Incredibles, period. But yeah, just going ahead and flat ironing so that it can actually look really nice and sleek, like how the bob is supposed to be looking. So yeah. And there we have it, the finished bob look. Of course you want to go ahead and just make sure you wrap the edges and everything. Oh my god. But yeah, that is how the install looked. I went ahead and like did a little flash photography, a little flash recording just to show you guys the lace and everything, and how it looked in the install. Thank you so much, Misfit Collections, for sending me this hair. I freaking love it. Y'all don't forget to follow them on all their social medias. Thank you, kings and queens, for watching this video all the way through. I love each and every single one of you guys. Mwah. See you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.